We need more crates at Station 3.
Roger that. The forklift is on its way. Steady, together, lift. Wow. Cheer.
Check this discoloration near the stem.
Agreed. Pull that one aside for reinspection.
Defect noted. Excessive dark spots and discoloration on sample 12. Reject lot.
Stem content 12%, within specification.
The flow rate is stable at 95% capacity.
Good. The accumulation near the cutter looks optimal. Throughput is stable at 95%. Temperature holding steady within optimal range. All systems nominal.
Everything is running smoothly. Output looks correct.
Quality check complete. Looks good.
Rates confirmed.
Acknowledged. Taking it to conditioning.
Cut width is calibrated to 0.5 millimeters. We are ready for the batch.
0.5 confirmed. I am loading the hopper now.
The blend ratio for Golden Virginia is low. Increase flow rate by 5%.
Acknowledged. Adjusting K3 input now.
Confirmed. All streams steady and within specification.
We need more flow on the blended.
Adjusting the feed rate now. Keep an eye on the moisture.
Quality standards confirmed. Output stream is stable.
Copy that. Maintaining parameters upstream.
The draw resistance is exactly 1.2, confirming it meets the specification limit.
Good. Log the results and proceed with the burn rate test.
Sample A9. Dimensions and weight confirmed within specifications. No deviations detected.
Please begin the evaluation by lighting the sample. Take a controlled puff and carefully note the aroma and taste delivery on your tablets.
Are you confident in the linearity on these borderline samples?
Yes, we reran them twice. The data holds up.
All right, I'm authorizing the release.
We need that expedited load in Bay 2 right now. It's verified. Watch my signal, bring it around slow.
Okay, I'm at the front wall. Where exactly do you want this pallet?
Just set it down right there, secure for transit.
Pallet 42, position C.
Confirmed. Next one ready.
Roger. 43 inbound.
That's the last one, Supervisor. The trailer is loaded and ready for securing.
Almost there. How's that side look?
Looks good. Solid.
All right, dispatch, rolling out of the Miami Depot, loaded heavy for Orlando, everything checked and secure.
Copy that, 10-4, ETA 0800, drive safe.
Comparing the fresh and aged data, the parameters are stable.
Minimal degradation across the board. The shelf life looks good.
Did you verify the data points on the emission spreadsheet?
Yes, they were double-checked this morning. Everything is fully compliant now.
The chemical composition here shows a distinct difference in their casing materials. And the physical analysis...
The new blend ratio seems promising, but the manufacturing speed is inconsistent.
We need to stabilize the feed.
Reading stabilized at 10.002.
Confirmed. Within tolerance.
Alert on compliance rates. Warehouse Section 7.
Dispatch, investigate the temperature reading at Sector 7 immediately. Hold the shipment.
All right, keep coming straight back. Easy now, easy. Little bump to the driver's side. Perfect, hold it right there, clear.
Leveler is engaged. Safe passage established.
Confirmed. Let's start unloading.
The seal reads 789 Tango Lima Bravo, intact.
789 TLB recorded. Capturing photo now.
Load is secure, no shifting, matches the manifest.
Excellent. Get those straps off and start the unload sequence.
Scan successful.
Confirmed. Routing assigned. Did you see the damage on box 4?
Watch your back, coming around the corner. All right, bring it over here.
New request. Cigarette inventory on aisle 22.
Acknowledged. Moving to location now.
Staging area, this is Picker 12. I have the cigarette order complete, bringing it down now. Check Bay 3 for the missing case.
Okay, this shipment is verified and ready to load.
So this pallet is all set for the downtown route, sequence A through F.
That's correct. We double-checked the count, and the strap is secure.
5 cases of Marlboros and 2 special orders.
Looks good.
Great, just need your signature confirming receipt.
All right.
And this is how modern factories produce millions of cigarettes from start to finish. From tobacco leaf harvest through...
Sample identification code 421B logged. Batch tracking information confirmed.